Speedtest February. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, February the 3rd, 2023, the first Friday of the month. Told you in the past, the first Friday of each month I will do a speed test. Speed test with the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. And in this newspaper we have also additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have here 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese they call it Suguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And those puzzles I will do in the evening. The other 4. But first, these 2 puzzles. These 2 puzzles... I will do a speed test. Yes, this will be number 5899. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one 27 printed digits. And if you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, it will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Without comments, without instructions, speed test. Alright, let me scan 8. Yeah, 8. Then 2 numbers left. 5 and 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 7. Okay, I need a 7. Then 6, 2, 5, 4. 4 should be here. 4 should be there. Come on. 4. 4. 4. Here should be the 4. 4, 3, 6. 4, 6, 4, 6, 3. 3. 4 will be here, there. 6, 1, and 7. 1, 1, 7. No. 7. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. 2 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 5. Oh, yeah. No. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6 also. 1, 2, 6. 2, 6. 2, 6. 1, 1. 1, 2, 6. 2, 6. 1, 1. 1. 1, 1. Come on. 4. And then 9. 9 and 8. That should be 3 and 5. 3, 3, 3. The 4 should be here. Here should be also the 4. Okay. 1, 1, 1, On 1, okay. Come on. 2. Yeah. 2. No 2 here. 2 and the 6. Here should be the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8. Here should be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be here. 2 and the 6. Alright. 6. 1, 2, 3, and the 5. Here should be the 1, 2, 3, the 9. Here should be the 9. 9 and a 1. Okay. 5 and the 5 and the 5 and the bubble 4. Yeah. 4, 4, 4. 5 and 7. Wow, come on. No. Here should be the 7. Here should be the 5. 7. 1 box left here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8, 9, 9, 1, 1, 7, 7, and 2. No. 6. Completed in 6 minutes. Wow. Well. 6 minutes and 50, I believe. Well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. It's a speed test, so without any comments or instructions. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the Sudoku Heavy with the speed test. Until then, bye-bye for now.